Tara, gulong tayo!
Ang uniform ko.
Welcome to 10 Cents to Heaven.
Ay, enjoy na sila. Magandang umaga. Hi! Hi!
Kayo. Uy, video to. Ba?
Prepare and tinan natin, di ba, for more than a month.
May na-activity for tayo lumipat ng venue for our meeting. Have fun!
Ito.
To officially welcome you to our RM team building and learning session with the theme of Locked In, Ignite Your Drive to Go Beyond. Kapag sinabing locked in, ano po yung pagkakaintindi ninyo? Walang iwanan. Bawal lumabas, sabi nga ni Kim Chu. Si RM Echo, sabi ni RM Echo, sabi niya, hindi mo nga na-extend.
Kami ang team Uno, dos, tres. We'll be first. We are champ. We'll be on top. Team Uno. Yeah. We are. Kaya, go beyond, unstoppable together. Team Kaya.
We're legendary! Watch us touch the sky! QC is Go Fight Win! QC is Go Fight Win! Legends!
Hi! Hello po, wave po. Hello po. Ingat po.
Legends!
Yes.
Always.
Always.
Hi guys. We are now here at 10 Cents. So I'm with Echo and Dean and also Sir Red, the gang gang at Leisure Gang Gang. So we're done on our first activity, the chant, and
finished presenting our individual chant.
okay,
So
and
we're going to the place where we will
do our activity. So mag-ano kami? Ano ba? Magpapagulong-gulong kami.
Yes.
Yeah.
So samahan niyo po kami magpagulong-gulong mamaya.
Yes.
Kaya naman tara.
Tara, gulong tayo.
Ay, ang ganda.
Boss, anong masasabi mo sa unang palaro na chant?
Mainit.
Mainit.
Pawis.
Kumusta yung lugar dito, sir?
Ayos, ayos. Maganda.
Maganda.
Sama tayo sa BSE.
Punta na dito sa 10 cents to heaven medyo. Kaya mo ba ito lang?
Careful po.
Tulungan niyo sir ha. Tulungan niyo yung members niyo ha. Hawak mo na. Yan. Good.
Naka-cinematic ako. Ako yung cinematic ha. Video cinematic. Okay.
Layan.
Okay, time. Good.
Next time po.
Wait lang po ha. Okay. Wait lang po ha. Kaya mo yan, ma'am. Last two. Five members. Kulang pa po.
Right! 1, 2, 3, left! Right! Right! 1, 2, 3, left! 1, 2, 3, right! Left! 1, 2, 3, left! Right! Left! Left! 1, 2, 3, right! Right! 1, 2, 3, left! Right! 1, 2, 3, right! Right! 1, 2, 3, left! Right! 3 left! 1, 2, 3, right! 1, 2, 3, left! Left! 1, 2, 3, right! 1, 2, 3, right! 1, 2, 3, right!
O plus 1 kilometer pa!
Ito mo na. Okay.
Hi, winner!
Picture. 1, 2, 3, right?
Let's go!
1, 2, 3, right?
Isa pa.
Huwag pala to. Ano? Practice na sila doon. Dapat practice doon.
Congrats po. Parang sa'yo yung pressure doon.
Now!
Ingat! Ingat!
Go! Oh, Pinks!
Careful!
Alalay! Alalay! Oh, galing! Ano? Hindi pupunta na ba ako? Ano? Hindi pupunta na ba ako? Pa!
Go, Ma'am Jem!
I love it! Pati! Five! Isa pa!
Para tatlo na po ha. Wait lang. Wait lang po ha.
Oh, isa pa.
Ayan, sagot na.
1, 2, right! Right! Left! Right!
Ayan.
Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right!
Boss, wait lang. Relax muna.
Right!
Ayan.
Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Grabe! God!
Pahinga muna tayo, pahinga muna.
Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right!
Yay!
1, 2, 3!
Tambay muna tayo, tambay.
1, 2, 3! Left! 1, 2, 3! Left! Okay! Left! Right! Left! Right! Tuloy! Right!
Picture po! 1, 2, 3!
Picture muna guys.
1, 2, 3! Cheese!
Number 3.
Picture po!
Galing, galing. One line, one line, one line, one line.
Okay! Water.
Lloyd, nasan ka? Water break muna tayo, water break.
Kapagod pala.
Kaway, sa kabila, kaway, sa kabila.
Hello!
Apat!
Video!
Go! Yeah! Ma'am, say! Ma'am! Ma'am, say! Go! Go! Hawak! Ma'am, hawak! Woo! Yeah! Kain! Ano masabi mo? Yes! Ang Brizal, na! Pagod na ako. Magsi-zipline daw tayo pero walang harness.
Wala, okay yun, sige.
O yung gusto Ayala!
We're now going to the hanging bridge.
Let's go! Yes, we're done on our activity. Tapos na kami magpalusot-lusot, magpatakbo-takbo. Yan, Sir Miko.
Hey, what up?
Kakapagod na. Ano masasabi mo dun sa laro na yun, sir?
Pagod.
Ayun, oh.
Parang nga high blood din.
Yun. So, hindi kami na-inform na kailangan pala ng ambulance dito. Tara, dun tayo sa hanging bridge. So, pass this way, oh. Isang slide, bagok agad. We're going up, up, up. Let's go. Kaya tayo. Ooh. Lumingon ka ba? Hi!
Ma'am, hindi. Makakabang tayo lahat eh. Sir Jules, representing. Anong group mo, Sir Jules?
Group 2.
Anong pangalan ng group nyo?
Kaya.
Kaya. Let's go. Ano to, sir? Accident? Disability?
Lalo pala ng bangin.
Kami sa Hanging Bridge and ayun po yung ibang group. So kami yung nauna. Malapit na kami makatawid. Kita tayo dun sa finish line. So eto, bibidyo ko yung baba, nakakatakot eh. Oh. Ay, ang ganda naman yan. Ay, sir, paano yun, Sir Jules? Paano yan? Ngayon, oh. Whoop, 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 whoop. Andito na yung Team Kea.
Team Kaya.
Yes.
Hindi na kinaya.
Hindi na kinaya. Paano yan, Janelle?
Meron pa akong juice doon.
Ano
Hindi
na
ko
yan?
nagamit. Okay na ako malaglag. Wag lang yung vape ko. Yung vape na sa'yo.
Vape is my savior.
I'm scared.
Oh my God. She's scared. Ay, nakakasyokot siya. Ayan daw yung mapapanalunan nung mananalong grupo, overnight dyan. Ulit, ano, sir?
Sino sasama sa akin?
Rasang kamay.
Ako po si Sir Ron.
Okay. Uy, ba't naghiwalay tayo? Uy! Alam, si Sir Ron kasi gusto niya na magpahinga. Gusto na bumalik ni Sir Ron sa club.
Hindi niya maligo.
Super nature adventure. Hi. Tara. Balik tayo. Go Dean. Funny step, B. Funny step. To the right, to the left. Up. Yes.
By the way, maraming salamat sa inyong energy. Our session today, sir, kakasimula pa lang natin, iniikabot mo. Minus 5 points. Sana launch. Oh, sir, ang magano ko.
I would like to introduce your... Hindi ko malalagpasin yung chance to meet with you again. Kasi always babalik ako sa ganitong type of engagement. Kasi this is where I started my career. East Katipunan because this is my home. Diba? So, maraming salamat. Thank you, Ma'am Arlene.
First of all, I wasn't aware na meron pala akong speaking engagement. But anyway, maraming salamat for inviting us here. Kami po ay 100% susuporta.
We had our one.
terms of second, they are looking for more sophisticated and complex investment. Anyone from you can answer. Which country is the ally of the US against Iran?
O, sino gusto ng points?
Wait lang, si Ma'am Jem. May ano?
From your card.
For the Q1 of 2026, numbers that we have started po last Q1. That it is now official po.
Bakit ba exciting part? Po ng tulong ng mga BSE.
You're in QC East, and these people, you know, be very, very happy that all of you will get to that place and have that dream that you deserve. Iyak ako kasi nasistress ako sa goal natin. I'm always proud of you guys, and that's really our purpose, why we're working, why we're doing this.
Yung yung commitment mo. RMC QCs. Hindi ko na-realize. Kasi at the end of 2026, to be included there in Finland.
Finland, my BSE. And recently, ka-push sa BPI AIA for the past years. However, through my
Perfect RM. But I always do my best to be a better RM.
Commit to give my full support to my team and lead them to be the best team back white.
Goes to Finland! Reach the peace! UC East! Unleash the beast! UC East!
Because we are QCEs. Unleash the beast.
An entire day of atin. Okay? So, participation at saka din sa activity na